What if I told you one small cloud setting could put millions of applications at risk? Amazon Web Services powers the internet. From startups to global companies, everyone trusts AWS. Behind every update, AWS uses automated pipelines called CI/CD and a service named CodeBuild. The system assumed only trusted developers could trigger these powerful build pipelines. But a small misconfiguration changed everything. Attackers could send pull requests and trick CodeBuild into running them. That build process had powerful secrets, including access tokens. Once the build ran, malicious code executed automatically. This is how supply chain attacks start. One poisoned update spreading everywhere.
In the worst case, attackers could control cloud resources at massive scale. Multiple AWS-managed GitHub repositories were affected by this flaw.
A flawed webhook filter failed to properly verify trusted contributors.
Attackers could even predict user IDs and bypass protections.
A leaked personal access token could modify the repository itself. Security researchers discovered this before attackers abused it.
AWS fixed the issue and tightened security controls.
Thankfully, no real-world exploitation was found. CI/CD pipelines are high-value targets for attackers.
Never allow untrusted code to trigger privileged builds.
Use anchored rejects, minimal permissions, and isolated build identities. One small mistake can impact thousands of companies.
Attackers don't break doors. They wait for misconfigurations.
Security isn't about tools. It's about correct configuration.